Hi everyone, Petalisbless here. I'm coming on today to do a hair review for you guys from a company called Longqi here off of AliExpress, and I have their Malaysian Body Wave in the lengths 24, 24, 22, 20, and an 18-inch lace closure. Yeah, you guys, okay, I've had this here for a little bit now. If you follow me on Instagram, you would have known that I was sick. I was in the hospital, but I'm out now and I'm doing better. So that's why I'm getting this review out a little late. But you know what? It's better late than never. So I'm doing better, so I'm gonna get this review on the way. Yeah, so like I said, I got this here. It's the Malaysian Body Wave. I got long lengths this time, you guys. Yeah, went a little longer. So I said it's 4 bundles, you guys. And oh gosh, it's 24, 24, 22, 20, and an 18-inch lace closure. Yeah, and I made the wig on a dome cap, and because I was sick, this is going to be like an initial review for me, because I didn't get to sport the hair much to tell you the exact Q's and P's about it. But let me tell you, so far, from I received it, I like it. The texture was nice, the wefts were nice, and the hair itself is nice and soft. I love it. And it's Malaysian, you guys. Did I mention that? Yeah, Malaysian hair is what I got this time. Instead of Brazilian, I took Malaysian, which is very nice. I like it. It's basically the same kind of texture to me, similar to Brazilian, but it's very nice. It's very nice. And I took the 4 bundles, and they are full. OMG. I'm loving this hair. It's soft. Now, you know me, like I tell you, me and my lazy curls. That's what I call them with the curling one. Just do my lazy curls with it. And it's nice. And as you can see, the hair is full and nice. I like it. So far, so good. Okay, that's how the hair looks on me. That's the length that it is. It's long. I told you guys 24. Got some long lengths this time. And I made my wig. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to give you guys a quick peek of what I like to do with my closure of my wigs. You know how like they have the lace frontals and they tell you to pluck the frontals a bit? I pluck my closures a bit. Unless it's a thin closure, then I won't really pluck it. But some closures that you get are really thick and nice, and that's what I like the thick ones, which this one was a nice and thick one, which I like. So I just pluck it a little bit, the closure, just, to give it a nice little appearance for me that I like. So I'm just going to share with you guys how I do that. Alright, I just have my tail comb and I have the tweezers. And we're just going to part the hair, and then we take the tweezers and pluck the hair. Don't pluck it too hard. You don't want to rip the lace that's on the closure. But you just pluck it and pluck out how much hair you like, and part it in sections. Don't pluck it all at once. Do it in sections and have a look at it. See if you like it. Part some more, pluck some more. And it's very simple. You customize it to how you like it. Okay, as you see, that's what I do. Nothing fancy, nothing fussy. I'm not a professional at this. I just, tweak things and, as I go along and make it suit my comfort that I like probably like my hair to look when I'm wearing it. You know, and I don't pluck it too much, as you see, but you can pluck it more if you want. But I just pluck it a bit, you know, just to carry it out. Yeah, and I think it's really neat. You don't only have to pluck frontals. Yeah, you can pluck your closure too, you know, and customize it to how you like it, and it will look nice on you. Yeah, you know, it's nice. Get some nice long hair, rock it this summer, you know, in the evenings when you're going out. Yeah, so you can look nice. Oh yeah, lots of functions in the summer. You know, even going out for dinner is very nice. In your heels or your flats, whatever you prefer. You know, you put on your clothes, put on your hair, out the door you go, feel nice. Yeah. Summer is here. We got to enjoy ourselves. You know, you have to enjoy each day as it comes. Tomorrow's promised to no one. And no matter what you're going through, you guys, no matter what you are going through, you know, do things that you love. Do things that you like. You know, pick up yourself, make yourself happy. You know, I just pick up myself, put on my stuff, spruce up my hair, OMG, and go out and feel good. Don't let your situation keep you down. No. I'm going to leave the link below to Longqi here for you guys to go over and check them out and get some bundles for yourself. They have different textures, you guys. Yeah. Go over there. See, get something for yourself. Summer's coming. And like I said, fix up yourself. Go out, look nice, feel nice. Hey, enjoy yourself each day. I'm loving the bundles. The hair is so nice and soft. And it takes the curl, which is good. It takes my lazy curls, as you can see. And the ends are nice. The hair is nice, you guys. It's really nice. It's not dry, and that's what I like. It's not dry. It's very nice. And I'm going to leave a link below for you guys to get a $4 off your order. Yeah, $4 off your order. I'll leave the code below for you guys to use. It's Petalisbless, and you'll get $4 off. Yeah. And what else? I'll also leave the link to Longqi here site with this bundles that I have and other things, other bundles that they have on their site. You can go over and check it out. I'll leave the link below for you guys to go over and see. Yeah. All right, everyone. Thank you so much for coming on and seeing the hair that I had today for Longqi Hair Company. Their Malaysian Body Wave in length 24, 24, 22, 20, and an 18-inch lace closure. Yeah, you guys. All right. Remember, as always, stay blessed from Petalisbless. Bye-bye, everyone.